You know that tomorrow I'm hustling like there's only one more second left of this hustle.
Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working.
Hello, today's video is going to be me installing a handmade frontal unit gluelessly. The first step is going to be to put the cap on. If you've seen my other videos, this cap install is going to be very different from the others. You're not going to mold it down and you're not going to cut the excess of it off. You're just going to put the cap on, put the makeup around the front like you see me doing in this video. This is a machine-made unit. When I say handmade wig, I literally mean I put the tracks in the frontal or the closure on the wig. This isn't a wig that was provided by a vendor or anything. I made this wig with the sewing machine method. If you haven't seen that video, I'll attach it below this video in the description box. Be sure to tune into my other videos. After you put the makeup on the cap, you're going to put the makeup on the lace as usual. Once you've done those steps, you're going to proceed with putting the wig on. After you've got the wig on and you have it placed exactly where you want it to lay, you're going to go ahead and cut the ear tabs off. When I say ear tabs, I mean the pieces of the lace that cover up the ears. You're going to go and cut around those areas, like so. You're going to proceed with molding down your wig. This is the key step to having a very flawless look. The pieces of hair that I'm taking out is going to mimic the baby hair. Once you've taken them out, you're going to go ahead and start cutting them. Cut them short like I am doing. Once you've got your wig molded down, you're going to ask your client to hold down the sides of their lace, and you're going to wrap the frontal down. Sit your client under the dryer until it's completely dry. Remove the wrap, and once you've removed the wrap, the wig is completely molded down to the client's head. You can proceed with cutting off the excess lace. As you can see in the very corners of the wig, a little piece of the lace is lifting up. You're going to take a tad bit of Got2b gel and smooth it down as you would as if it was glue, and put a very thin layer. Turn your blow dryer on, whether it's cool or warm temperature, it doesn't matter. Let it get tacky for a few seconds and then place the lace on top of that. This is also a very unique video because she has a very low hairline. A lot of stylists would not work with that client. Some of the stylists may cut the client's edges off, but I really don't believe in that. I feel like anything is possible. If she wants to, she can take this wig off every night. It's completely glueless. This gel is temporary. All you have to do is wet it and it'll start lifting up. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Stay tuned.